Hi, welcome to Outlier Live. So today let's talk about how the trading going to probably look like, what to expect in the stock market today. Then we will touch base on some of the projections around inflation, what Fed may or may not do in coming months. Then we'll briefly touch base on how sectors are looking. Have we seen that bottom yet? Or are we looking for further correction? So we'll answer all of those questions in today's episode. So let's start with first. So I'm looking at futures here. Uh, Looks like it is going to be a red day. Um, Dow futures are down, S&P futures are down, NASDAQ futures are down. VIX is up. You are going to see a volatile market today again. No surprise. Whole month of August has been like this. Few days you'll see market going down, and then suddenly there's a correction. There's a it started moving in the other direction. We have been seeing this thing. August has been one of the worst month in the stock market historically, and it is happening right now. So far, not a good month in terms of pure returns. So lot of volatility. So we are seeing that again today. So let's move on to the Fed, some of the projections here. Okay. So I pulled this projection inflation projected annual inflation rate for US from 2010 to 2028. What really I want to talk about last few years. Uh, Back in 2020, the inflation was somewhere around 1.25, and suddenly it shot up to 4.69. And there is a reason for it. Back in 2020, when COVID happened, the government, they started printing a lot of money, and printing that much money has consequence. It does come with consequence. Now they are like literally working on reducing that inflation from that higher 8% back in 2022, which was literally crazy at that time. And now they started pushing these rates up, and now the inflation has started coming down, but it is not at the levels where Jerome Powell wanted to be. He wanted the inflation to be under 2%. I don't know if that is going to happen or not. We may see inflation hovering between 2 to 3% in long term, but we'll see. I was going through his meeting minutes from Jackson Hole last week. He showed signs of concerns around whether the economy is cooling off or not. They really wanted to cool off the economy. They are like literally raising the rates, and I am not sure whether they are going to raise the rates further or not. But literally they are going to look at how the labor market is doing, how the CPI numbers are going to look like for month of August. And then there is also a concern, right? So elections are coming. 2024 is year of election, and uh, this is my personal opinion that the current sitting government, they want to make sure that numbers are not that bad. Right now they are bad, right? The inflation is up. The job market is not that good, but still the numbers are going up. The unemployment numbers are going up. The inflation is up. The rates are going up. Affording a mortgage is kind of becoming harder and harder because your payments are literally going up. The rates were almost like 3% back in 2020. Now they're hovering close to like 6-7% when you go and take the mortgage. For the same amount, it's just becoming costlier and costlier. So I feel like there is going to be some uh, some way or form these inflation numbers will come down in coming months, whether it's because of elections are coming, whether these will be true reflection of the inflation number. So I don't know, but I believe that in coming months we may start improvement in these inflation numbers, and Fed policy, they may keep the rates up, uh, and back in 2024 they may start to bring these rates down. So we'll see what will happen.